Say hi. Oh, Princess, do you have to be right in his face? Huh?
Guess so.
You have to be right in his face? Let him smell you.
Terrible.
Let him smell you. Yes. Yeah.
So you're putting that.
Come and walk with us. Come and walk with us a little.
Holy crap! That's too good a dog.
I know, right?
I wonder if you talked to Susie or Jackie.
Good girl.
They're the ones that have authority.
Good boy.
Did you get some?
You just want to play. You just want to play. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Good job. Good job.
What's the dog's name?
Look how cute you two are.
Was this
Devo.
a dog an A one time?
Devo. Mm-mm. Okay. Yes. Yeah.
You can't let that happen.
Good girl, Princess. Good girl, Princess.
Look at this.
Yes.
Look at. You can't. They know.
You gonna give a kiss? Oh, you gonna give a kiss? Okay. All right.
What's the dog's name?
Okay.